Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the fuse inside of your battery box. If you have to replace both fuses, you're just going to repeat the steps for the battery box on the other side. You're going to start here by removing these 4 bolts. And you're going to need either a wrench or a set of pliers like I'm going to use, and then a 3/8 inch Allen key. So you're just going to take your Allen key and insert it like so, and then take your wrench, and on the other side there is a small bolt that you will just have to clamp onto, like so, and then you will just begin to remove each one of the bolts one by one. Alright, so for this next step you'll just need a screwdriver. I have an electric one here, just to make this go a little quicker. And you're just going to remove 6 screws all along here. I've already removed 5 of them, as you can see. There's this one here, which I'll just remove now. And then you will have the inside of the battery. As you can see here, this fuse already came a little loose, but if you're either just popping it back into place, or if you're replacing it all together, then that's all you have to do is just remove it and then just pop the new one in. Kind of press down on each side here just to kind of get it to lock in a little tighter. And that's just how you replace your fuse.